Welcome to Espiritu Santo, Vanuatu, where I spent a few days exploring the incredible blue holes.
Natural pools with the bluest water that you can find.
It's really one of the cleanest water that I've seen. I mean, of course, there are a lot of leaves and so on, but I mean, despite having a look at the vegetation that there is around, it's like super clean. One of the cleanest that I've seen. And apparently this blue hole, it's one of the bluest. So let's see. Oh, little butterfly. Look, the water is getting bluer and bluer. Here. I think this might be it, huh? Look at the water. Yeah, we made it. Oh, there's no one. Wow, look at the blue of the water. See the tree? Wow. Made it to Riri Blue Hole. Very, very cool. And now I'm showing you the accommodation where I was staying, which is the wonderful Matevulu Lodge, which are basically nice bungalows close to the beach. So this is my lodge where I'm staying, here at Matevulu Lodge. And it's amazing that I have a nice little deck and direct access to the beach. Wonderful coralline reef water. And also look at the vegetation, because you have these giant trees right on the beach. And it can also be a problem because they can go down easily and they basically die because the sea, with increasing sea level, with the global warming, they tend to erode more and more the sand. And so, as you can see, they're slowly going down until basically they cannot absorb the nutrients from the earth, basically. So how many swings there are here. And also, I want to go kayaking now to the blue hole, but also I want to go to visit those over there. Then you can take one of these kayaks and going around and visit the beautiful islands close by, private islands. They are like amazing. This is the common area where you can cook your own food. They make breakfast, but the other meals you have to cook yourself. You can see a lot of swings in this place. You have each bungalows are usually 2 hammocks. You can see this one and the one over there, a bit farther. Then another hammock there, and 2 swings also here. So last day in Matevulu Lodge, I already did the checkout. So I left the room, and luckily they let me stay. I went with this kayaks, went a bit around. It's super nice. It's a bit wavy outside of this bay, and I went around an island which is opposite of this. And I'm having some food, lunch, and I want to fly the drone because I think now it's a good moment with the sun shining.